Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to run Android apps on your computer without any emulator. And to do so, it's very easy. So if you have been using like BlueStacks or the Google Play Games Android emulator on your computer, then you may have noticed that there is some lag and some issues. Maybe it crashes randomly, etc. So to find a solution to this problem, there's actually a Android emulator that is integrated in Windows. So to activate it, it will be very easy. So I'm going to show you right now. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to go onto Google and then go on and type Windows Subsystem for Android. And then here you will find this GitHub link of Mustard Chef slash WSA builds. Click on it and then scroll down until you see the Windows download button. So scroll down and here you will find Windows 10, Windows 11, etc. So here I will advise you to download the stable builds. So do not download the pre-release because they may be unstable and not really useful. It may crash sometimes. So I advise you to use the stable build. So click on it and then here you will land on this page. Scroll down and then you will find the button to download it. So here you will find WSA and then mind the G apps removed amazon.7z. This is the zipped file. It's usually the one at the top. So click on it and it will download it. It will appear here. So wait for it to be downloaded. Another important thing that you have to do is to turn the Windows features on or off. And to do so, go to your search bar and then type turn Windows features on or off. Click on open. And here in this tab, just search for virtual machine platform. So scroll down until you see virtual machine platform and check it here. If it is already checked, then leave it as it is. If not, just check it and click on OK. Now wait for it a few seconds and it will be done. And now, once the file has been downloaded, just right click on it and click on extract here. If you are using 7-zip or WinRAR, or even with Windows, it's okay, you can just extract the file. And then there is a new folder that will be opened. So just double click on it and here scroll down until you find the run button, which is basically the Windows batch file that you will have to run. So just click on it twice or the right click and run as administrator. And here this PowerShell tab will open. So let it be, let it just execute its command lines and just wait for it a few seconds. Then this page will appear. The optional diagnostic data for Windows Subsystem for Android and the Windows Subsystem for Android tab. So just click on the Windows Subsystem for Android and go to the advanced settings. And once you are in the advanced settings, just turn on the developer mode. It's very important if you are going to download applications from the browser, not from the Play Store. If you are downloading the APK files. So now go back to the PowerShell and wait for it a few seconds. Next, click on continue on this little tab of optional diagnostic, and then this tab will open the Windows Subsystem for Android. It will just execute one time and then it will close itself. And that's it. Now, if you go into the search bar, if you want to use your computer as a Android device, you can just click on the search bar and type Windows Subsystem for Android, and it will act like a phone or a tablet or whatever you want to call it. And you can also go in the search tab and search for Play Store, and it will appear right away if you want to use it as a phone. And that's it, guys. It's very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.